Whether you've just finished reading the latest work by a contemporary author, or need to find a unique angle for covering a classic, Gale Literature Resource Center provides critical essays, author biographies, overviews, and more to take your literary analysis to the next level. Read biographies and work overviews to build an understanding of the personal and historical influences behind a work. Use the insight into key themes and literary elements to narrow a broad topic into specific research questions. When you've developed an initial thesis, examine literature criticism to refine and support your investigation. Continue brainstorming and exploring subtopics with Topic Finder, or limit search results based on key themes within the scholarly discussion of a work. You may even uncover authors' views of their own works, which can provide valuable evidence for your analysis. As you discover useful sources, use highlights and notes to keep track of important points. Before you exit Gale Literature Resource Center, download, print, or send your sources, digital note cards, and works cited to Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Gale Literature Resource Center simplifies the process of starting and managing your research so that you can focus on writing a paper that impresses.